Good morning. I am K. Palnivel, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. I am going to study in the case study on Department of Agricultural Engineering, 5th semester. Lagrange's interpolation case study on Lagrange's interpolation by missing data solution of electricity consumption. I am going to abstract. Missing data or values is a common issue in processing a dataset. It is also occurred in our intelligentsia system, which is a system that utilizes and optimizes the electricity consumption data. The problems occur when the data that are being sent by the sensors to the web server are missing due to the unstable internet connection. It is an essential matter since we want to capture the data by real time. The data set are useful to learn the pattern of the electricity consumption and predict the next electricity demand. Therefore, to overcome these problems, we try to propose a method to complete the missing data by applying Lagrange's interpolating polynomial method. The missing data can be interpolated by using the first order, second order and third order of Lagrangian interpolation, and in determining the pattern data, we applied Pepys I technique, which is an improved technique of Lagrange's interpolation polynomial method. This research then may support to predict the electricity consumption and create an effective prediction model. Next, going to introduction. The missing data or values is a common issue in processing a dataset. It is mostly that all instrumental time series are affected by missing values. In our previous works, we have developed a system which is called Intelligentsia Intel. Currently, there are two mainstream approaches in dealing with missing data. The first is by using only a subset of continuous records in a dataset, and the next one is by ignoring the missing data based on an assumption that they may represent one continuous series. These former approaches come to the issues and prior information will be wasted and true statistical inferences cannot be processed. In the extreme events, it may then overestimate the likelihood. In case of deletion, any data with missing values is ignored from the dataset, and standard methods for completing data are running on the remaining data cases. Therefore, it is not recommended to ignore or delete any data. It may discard valuable information about features that are being observed. It may be appropriate when there is a relatively small amount of missing data and only complete data cases are allowed to be tested. The presence of missing values in a dataset can affect the performance of a classifier constructed using the dataset as a sample. On 2010, three methods of handling missing data have been evaluated based on the results mean substitutions method platform poor in handling missing data, where both multiple imputation and full information maximum likelihood are the recommended methods to this kind of approach. An improved interpolation called support vector machine Kriging interpolation has been introduced to overcome the ozonic missing data. Lagrange's interpolation may estimate the missing data values in processing of mapping a data item. Pre-processing here means the data preparation for before mining them. Another study has proposed a method called point estimation model of B-shared to interpolate missing values in a temperature data set, which is developed model of biased essential hospitals based area disease estimation from WAM. The study concluded that BBZ has theoretical advantages over Kriging, IDW, and SRT in context of more realistic assumption. Our focus is on how to solve electricity consumption missing data based on intelligentsia using Lagrange's interpolation. Then objective is to interpolate missing data in the electricity consumption based on the observed data from intelligential using Lagrange's interpolation. Next one, missing data. Missing data is an identically referred to a missing data mechanism, observation process or selection process. In context of missing data process, it is lead to a missing data theory that has an impact on learning, inference, and prediction. There are two fundamental categories of missing data, random and unrandom missing data. In case of random missing data, the process can be ignored and inference can be based only by the observed data. In this case, in many common generative models, the computing results are traceable. For the unrandom missing data, the missing one will be ignored. Next one, Lagrange's interpolation. The interpolation is the process of finding the unknown values based on the known values. The Lagrange interpolating polynomial is simply a reformulation of the Newton's polynomial that avoids the computation of divided differences. Intelligentsia is a information communication and technology innovative solution that can control and monitor the energy consumption through the internet connection on web and mobile platforms. It can also adapt and learn the user consumption profile. Based on the related data, Intelligentsia can procedure intelligence flexible reporting. Next one, implementation of Lagrange's interpolation method. Lagrange's interpolating is the interpolation technique that using the polynomial function. There are some required steps in this process. Voltage and current real-time data with interval 30 seconds are captured by the sensors. Analyze the captured data of voltage and current whether they have a value above 0 or 0 null. If they are valued null, then it will be filled with y sign and the position of that y will be filled with x sign. After y is deducted, the position of x will become the base of capture. The data position that will be captured as followed, where the yellow highlight is represented the missing data, the position x3, x2, x1, x plus 1, x is yellow missing data. 1. Analyze the pattern of data to determine in which order the data will be fed. It will be discussed in the following steps. We named these techniques as PPIs, which is an improved technique of Lagrange interpolating polynomial method, and to emphasize more on a pattern data observation. Here are the steps of PBI's method to determine the order. The first order Lagrange's is required to obtain the first value of x minus 1 position and x plus 1 position in order to be inserted in the equations. Next one, going to findings. In determining the used Lagrange's order, besides the data values, it is required to analyze the pattern data before and after meshing data X. In the third case, it may be used different Lagrange's order for interpolating voltage value. We use the first order, and for interpolating current value, we use third order. In the case of the high number of data, the first order has appeared as the most frequent order. Next, finally, we go into conclusion. Based on the experiments and results, the Lagrange's interpolating polynomial can be applied to overcome the missing data issues when the data is sending from sensors to the Intelligentsia web server. Intelligentsia web server, the missing data can be the first order, second order and third order of Lagrange's interpolation, and in determining the pattern data, we applied BB's I technique, which is an improved technique of Lagrange's interpolating polynomial method, and emphasize more on the pattern data observation. This research then may support to predict the electricity consumption and to create an effective prediction model. For future research and accuracy, it is required to analyze the other methods that may suitable for Intelligentsia missing data problems. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all.